The Handyman here, and today we are going to replace a compressor to a 410A unit. Got my new compressor right there. Got my recovery tank, which I already recovered it. So we're gonna skip that process today. I skipped that in the vac pump process and the nitrogen process, but I just wanted to show like basically the overall things to do on running a compressor. Let's get started. So when I first diagnosed this problem, figured out it was the compressor. This bad boy was burnt off. Breaker kept tripping. But it's still good to use, so I didn't have to replace the terminal. But yeah, start off by cutting off these pipes, liquid side, low side. Got that boy out to the next. Get him. All right, we got both of them out. And now you want to continue with the bolts. I use it's usually a 1/2 inch socket. Get those bad boys out. All right, let's go ahead and put the new one in. Open the box. Look at that pretty shiny baby. Put that thing in there. Take out these little caps, rubber gaskets they put in these things. It's so no debris or any contaminations get inside the capacitor. I mean compressor. Bolts down the bolts. Put them in there nice and tight. Make sure to sand down these tips before you put them in. Again, you don't want any debris into your compressor. Very bad, very bad. Put some wet rags before you do any brazing. That's essential. Yeah, I was running out of oxygen when I was doing this. And you'll see later on that I switch out the can, but that's why it took me a lot of time, unnecessary time, brazing this. Couldn't get the flame that I wanted, but got that bad boy all soldered up. That's when I ran out of oxygen right here. Coming up here in the video. I like to personally get the pipe nice and cherry red first. There you go, you see the blue one. Now we got us a new one right there. And start this back. You see that flame a lot more stronger. Anyways, get the wires in there. Red one is your run, black is your common, and yellow is your start. Tighten up put the gasket on and tighten up that bolt. Make sure you go ahead and once you're done with the compressor setup, you go ahead and let me tighten that up real quick. I obviously skipped the nitrogen process, the recovery process, and the vac pump process, but I just wanted to show you the basics of the compressor setup. But yeah, put your Freon in and you're good to go. The Handyman out.